Hello everybody and welcome back to another gold analysis video. So in this video we will be again breaking down what gold could possibly do in the next week and how our trades could be planned. Okay, but before that, let us have a look at the previous week, what has been happening, and we will accordingly plan the trade. Okay, when we go to the daily time frame, right, what is gold doing? It did a big downfall and then a resistance one. Okay, big fall, resistance, the same resistance again, big fall, third resistance, the fall is not there, and it has been bullish the entire week, right? So if we could the trend is bullish, okay, because this down move has been absorbed multiple times and it has been forming an inverted head and shoulder. But that is not what we trade on. We trade based on the liquidity and the repeated test setups. Okay, so if we draw a trend line like this, 1 2 3 and 4, multiple time tested, and if this trend line breaks, it's a lot of liquidity, sellers have lot of sellers have entered here, so we can get an up move until this structure break at least, and this target is the ultimate target. Okay, so how do we plan the trades now? Okay, uh give me a minute. Yes, so how do we go about planning the trades now? So if we can see in the 4 hour time frame, this move, the latest move, because this is move number one. This is move number one. It has had a pullback. Move number two had a pullback. Move number three has not had a pullback as yet. Okay. So this is the third pullback. So we can expect one final move, liquidity grab, and then a dump. But this dump is not what I will be trading on. I will be trading on this move. Okay. So trend is bullish. Let us stay with the trend. Okay. So what we can see is, if we draw Fibonacci from here to here, we see that the market is currently at the 382 to 5 level, which is the ideal trend continuation or the bounce back zone. Okay, up move, pull back, up move. This is how the cycle works, and this is how we will exactly be trading this time. Now coming into the smaller time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? This is a resistance. Okay, this is a resistance I showed you on the daily time frame, the multiple time tested zone. Okay, that is a resistance. We see an M pattern being formed. Okay, always remember, in an uptrend it is the sellers who will be trapped, because for the market to move up we need seller stop losses above that level. Okay, so the market will try to hit these sellers SLs and then maybe take a U-turn, who knows, but we will try to capitalize up to this point. Okay, so coming falling much shorter into the 15-minute time frame, we can see that this is a breakout zone, right? Yeah, how is the zone correct? Resistance, resistance, break, support, 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 again support, and then break. Now retest. Okay, back to the same zone. So in Monday, on Monday, how can we expect the market to react? If it comes here, halts, right, then we will enter on the crossing. We can expect a target of this zone at least. So this will be our trade plan. The target will be until here or until the break of this high. This will be target 2. This will be the first target where you can book 50% or even more, because this is a very high liquidity zone and anything can happen at this resistance. Okay, so I would advise, if this plan is strictly followed, that is, if that depends completely on the market how it will open and react tomorrow, right? So if it opens here, we enter on this crossing, we keep the stop loss, target 1 will be this, exit major quantity here, trail to this level because this is the trend line, this is the breakout zone, and if it gives a pullback, then trail here, and at this point exit. Okay, this will be the trade plan. So if I want to draw the tool, so here invite, breakout, TP. So if we can see, our stop loss comes to about 45 pips. Okay, and our target, first target, is at 140 pips, which is a risk reward ratio of 1:3. And the second target above this zone, 1:4.5. Now tell me, who is the winner? Risk reward is the winner. It doesn't depend on how many it's about how much you lose when you're wrong and how much you make when you're right? So let's say I have a fixed risk of X dollars, right? I make 3x, 4x every time I win. You get my point? And I lose X, right? So that is how it is done, and that is the game of risk reward. So this will be the first plan. If okay, this is the first plan. If this is not followed, what can we potentially do? Our bias is into the bullish side because trend is bullish, etc. But if at the market open, if at the market open it gives the big rally, comes here, halts, then we can maybe risk on this crossing up to for a very small target. I am not capturing big targets on this move because yeah, obviously this is an invite setup and everything, but the problem is this becomes a very big liquidity zone. Upon the break of this, all the sellers will get liquidated. The big players have been buying from the bottom previous week, so there are high chances that this can become a very big liquidity zone. So in that case, I will either take with a very quantity on this break, and if it halts again after the breakout, I will plan the downside trade because this is a very big liquidity zone. You get it? So if I wanna mark, it will be this resistance to support to resistance is our trade plan. But what if none of these happen? For that, let me remove the tool now. What if none of these happen and it opens here and halts? Then in that case, it is a sure shot downside up to this trend line support, right? Because this breakdown was the seller's invitation, and if it comes up, it implies that buyers will get activated. The retail buyers will be activated because it is a breakdown failure, and everybody knows how to trade breakdown failures, right? So we will capture the down move if it halts here. Okay, if it does not halt, forget about the downside, just focus on where you can trade upside. Okay, so these are the 3 plans for tomorrow. I will post any updates on the Telegram channel, my trades, but this is the plan, and this is what I will be following. So if you want updates about this, you can definitely join my Telegram. The link will be in the description. And if you want to trade gold, I will attach the link of the of the XNS broker that I am trading on as well in the description, so you can definitely consider opening an account and trading gold because this is a very big opportunity. You can grow small accounts into very big ones. Okay, so with that, I end this video. I'm hoping you like it, and if you like, please do leave a like and comment any opinions that you might want me to change, and see you in the next video. Have a profitable day.